How often do you get a signal from an indicator, you enter the trade, and moments later the market does the exact opposite of what it's supposed to do? That's the market not being cute and quirky. That's what trading without a confirmation is like. In this video, I'm going to show you a ready-to-use trading strategy that forces the market to confirm direction before you enter a trade. It's called the Safari strategy. A simple scalping and day trading strategy using just the MACD and the Williams percentage R. It's pretty straightforward and you'd be able to start using it right away. If you're ready as I am, let's get into it. And don't forget to like this video if you want me to do more strategy reviews. Now, let's break it down. The Safari strategy is most effective during trend phases. It's designed for beginners, active scalpers, and day traders who want clear rules and fast execution. The most important rule of this strategy is that if there is no agreement between the indicators, we do nothing. This rule alone filters out most losing trades. The MACD is a trend-following momentum indicator that tells us the market's direction. Here's what you should focus on here. The MACD above zero represents bullish market pressure, and the MACD below zero represents bearish market pressure. If the histogram is jumping up and down with no clear direction, we do nothing. No trend means no trade. Simple as that. The Olymp percentage R show where price is positioned inside the current range. It moves between 0 and 100. But for the purpose of this strategy, the important level is 50. Williams percentage R above 50 represents bullish pressure, while minus 50 represents bearish pressure. This indicates whether buyers or sellers are currently in control. In simple terms, the MACD answers the question, where is the market going? While the Williams percentage R answers the question, is price aligned right now? When both indicators agree, we trade. When they don't, we do nothing. This simple principle alone eliminates most of the bad trades that beginners make. So on the Olymptrade platform, first we open the 1 minute chart. Next, we move to the technical analysis tab and then add the MACD with the default settings, and then we change the view to the histogram view as we already have here, that is preset. Next up, we add the Williams percent R with the default period of 14, just as you have here. So in any case, your chart should look simple and readable. If it looks complicated, trust me, you're overthinking it. And also, if you have the advanced status on the platform, you can easily add this strategy in just one click. That is from the strategy tab. Then we move on to the trade rules. So for the trade rules for this strategy, we maintain a time frame of 1 minute. That is 1 to 3 times the duration that you have, especially if you are trading on the fixed time mode. For the duration, like I mentioned earlier, we switch between 2 minutes to 4 minutes. So this strategy makes ideal for scalping and for day trading. So at this point, we open an up trade when the indicators align at the same time, just as we have here. That is, we have the Williams percentage R above 50 and pointing towards 20 here. Next, we have the MACD, that is the histogram bars, also above 0 with clean and one directional movement. So in this case, what this means is that when we have a non-alignment, we do not trade. And then if all the two indicators align in the same direction, we can open a trade depending on the direction. Next, we move on to the down trade. That is the down trade signal. For the down trade signal, we need the Williams percent R below the 0 level, that is below 50, pointing towards 80. Next, we should have the MACD also below 0, pointing downwards without any mixed signals or mixed direction. So in case if we do not have the MACD, that is when the MACD histogram flips its direction like rapidly, or when the Williams percent R hovers around 50 and consistently, without a clear direction, we pause. Next, you can look out for clean rejection candles, just like the pin bars as we have here, that based on the patterns, or any engulfing candle in order to spot a clear entry. If the Safari strategy made sense to you, hit the like button. That's how I know how to focus on breaking down real strategies instead of exploring theory. And let me know in the comments below, which do you trust more when you trade, the MACD or the RSI? I always read the comments and the most common answers shapes the next videos. If you want to keep building real skills, some good videos to watch next are the best reversal trading strategy ever, which goes deeper into timing, confirmation, and execution, and the best stocks to invest right now. The links to these videos can be found in the video description. And one last thing, indicators are important, but finding the perfect one isn't enough. Success in trading comes from clarity and discipline. Master one strategy, execute it consistently, and let probability do the heavy lifting. One trade at a time. And as always, trade smart, stay focused, and see you in the next video.
Olymptrade. Care that counts.